the Governor of Free State, with your permission, I want to observe the laid down protocol. So all the visiting professors, the Royal Highnesses, the Chief Justice, and so on and so forth, you are all recognized. Your Excellency, my duty is very simple, as most of what I'm going to say has already been said by the Pro-Chancellor and the VC. But at the expense of repetition, I have to repeat some of the major issues they said. So allow me to glance at the paper I brought along. Your Excellency, it is my great pleasure and privilege to join earlier speakers in welcoming all here present to the third convocation ceremony of Harcourt University of Medical Sciences. I most heartily welcome His Highness Sir Lai Ogura and members of his entourage. Your Excellency, you are welcome. Today marks a momentous occasion in the history of our university. We had earlier on this morning witnessed the induction ceremony of our newly qualified doctors into the medical profession. This occasion marks not only a triumph for each of you, but a triumph for our institution, a testament of the unwavering dedication of the Procurator, BOT, Council Management, staff, and unyielding support of your parents, well-wishers, and especially the University State Government. Your Excellency, we can't thank you enough. Your journey has been one of tenacity, sacrifices, and unrelenting pursuit of knowledge. You have not only excelled in the halls of this university, but you have demonstrated a commitment to the ideals and values that define Harcourt University of Medical Sciences. I wish to share with you some reflection on the essence of your achievements and offer insights that I believe are vital as you embark on your noble profession. Like I have said, this has only earlier been mentioned by the Pro-Chancellor. I repeat, integrity is the cornerstone of successful career, especially in the health sciences. It is the first steadfast adherence to moral and ethical principles, the unwavering commitment to honesty and dedication to putting the welfare of others above personal gain. In the medical field, the trust between the patient and a caregiver is paramount. Throughout your stay in Harcourt University, we have strived to instill in you a strong sense of ethical responsibility, teaching you not only the science of medicine and healthcare, but also the essence of ethical conduct and decision-making. Character, too, is of utmost importance in the health profession. either as an allied health professional, a doctor or a nurse, or a medical scientist. It encompasses the traits that define who you are as individuals. It is your character that will guide you through challenging times, enable you to connect with patients on a deeper level and make a lasting impact in their lives. We have endeavored to nurture these qualities in you, knowing that they are just as vital as medical knowledge in delivering exceptional patient care. Strive for excellence in every aspect of your practice. Set high standards for yourselves and continually seek ways to improve your skills and knowledge. This commitment to excellence will not only benefit your patients, but also bring you personal and professional fulfillment. The medical field is not merely a profession. It is a calling, a vocation that demands a profound sense of responsibility. You are now entrusted with the lives and well-being of others, a privilege that comes with immense weight. Embrace it with humility and let it be your guiding light. Today, as you embark on the next phase of your journey, remember the lessons you have learned within these hallowed halls. Hold onto the values that have been instilled in you, for they will serve as your compass in the face of the challenges that you reach on your way. As you step forth into the world as graduates of this university, I have absolute confidence in your abilities to leave an indelible mark on the landscape of healthcare. Embrace the journey ahead with courage and conviction, and may it be filled with success, fulfillment, and genuine joy that comes from making a difference in the life of others. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, graduates, in concluding, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the management and staff who have tirelessly ensured your success, and to the parents and guardians who have supported you along the way. Let me also thank the members of the trustees who have tirelessly, on short notice, always assembled for decision on the university. Let me wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year ahead. May peace come back to our nation. Thank you, and God bless.